No one talks about how hard healing really is. So let's talk about it. We hear a lot about healing, like it is this peaceful, beautiful journey. But the truth, sometimes it is messy, painful, lonely. Healing is not just lighting a candle and journaling your dreams. It is rising when no one sees you. It is outgrowing people who don't want to grow with you. It is breaking patterns you learned as a child, even if they are the only thing you have ever known. It is saying no for the first time and feeling guilty for it. It is choosing to forgive someone who never apologized. It is loving yourself even when your inner critic screams you are not enough. And guess what? If you are in that space right now, feeling like it is too heavy or is low, that doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are doing it right. Healing is hard, but it is worth it. You are worth it. If you are tired of healing alone, join us in the Revive and Flourish workshop. It is a space where we heal at the root together. No pressure to be perfect, just real, deep transformation. Let's stop pretending it is easy and start making it possible to got this.